star for Movie Actress of the Year goes to... For the very first time in Philippine Awards history, we have a triple tie!
Congratulations to our national artist.
When I met you in Tokyo, presenting the trophy to the PMPC, and PMPC President Roberto Ando, an additional prize of 25,000 for each from Playtime, presented by Playtime's Ambassadress, Binibining Pilipinas, Samantha Acosta, and Playtime Lead Marketing, Jan Yamato.
First time in awards history, we got a triple tie for our Movie Actress of the Year. Congratulations once again to Ms. Nora Honor, Ms. Delma Santos, and Ms. Maricel Soriano.
Nagbibideo ako ng isip, nabangan ko to. Chika-chika mo na sila! Chika-chika!
Sa tatlong award na natanong naman ako. Sa PMPC,
Wala na tayong picture. Kasi wala tayong cellphone.
maraming salamat.
Robot na.
Hindi ko naman in-expect ito. Ano mo? Si Ate Rian, si Ate Gaya, manalaman dito. Ay, nasali ako. Napakaswerte ko naman. Unang-una gusto ko magpasalamat sa kasama ko gusto siya. Walang ibang business lang. Maraming salamat for bringing the best in me.
Ano pala sa
Salamat
lawin
talaga.
cellphone ni Mark?
Para sa inyo to, Lady Querencia. I love you all. Maraming salamat sa PMPC talaga. At syempre sa aming producer, si Flor. Sis, eto, may nangyari ka rin. So, Kas, di ba? Maraming salamat din sa'yo. Ha?
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Di po nakapunta si Ate Lee tonight at masama po ang pakiramdam. Kaya nagpapaumanin po siya sa inyong lahat. On behalf of Ate Successful, we are forever be grateful to her and Boyet for taking the risk in accepting our movie project. We at JJ Productions, as a new producer, appreciate this kind of award-giving body in recognizing our efforts, hard works, and financial risk. Hence, we will continue to produce more movies
Chika-chika
in
sila,
order to support this industry.
Chika-chika
Thank
sila,
you
oh.
so much to the men and women behind PMPC Awards, and more power to you. I would like to take this opportunity also to thank my partners, right?
Nakita kayo. Maria, Nora. Salamat.